Arab National Bank login. Welcome to our tutorial on accessing Arab National Bank's mobile banking platform. Arab National Bank offers convenient and secure mobile banking services, allowing you to manage your finances anytime and anywhere. In this guide, we'll show you how to log into your Arab National Bank account using your device. For this, simply open your default web browser in your device and in the search bar, type Arab National Bank Login. Tap on the link that says Arab National Bank logo to access the official web page. On the login page, you can enter your current user ID. If you've forgotten your password, then you can also tap on Forgot Password option on the page. Once you have entered your user ID, submit the information. Alternatively, if you are a new user, you may need to register online by tapping on the Register Online button. During the registration process, you'll be prompted to input your personal information, agreeing to terms and conditions, create user credentials, and acknowledge the receipt of terms. And that's it. You've successfully logged in to your Arab National Bank's mobile banking platform. When you are checking your account balance, transferring funds, or paying bills, Arab National Bank's mobile banking services makes your finances quick and easy too. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.